This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000. Here's a look at the top COVID-19 related headlines this afternoon. More cases of coronavirus have been reported in our viewing area. Sauk County now has its first confirmed case of the coronavirus. County public health officials say the patient recently traveled to another state with community spread and developed symptoms shortly after. They are under self-quarantine right now. That confirmed case brings the total number in Wisconsin to 120. 23 cases are in Dane County. Milwaukee has seen the highest number with 50. We'll continue updating these numbers throughout the day on the Channel 3000 app. Local clerks have sent out more absentee ballots for the April 7th election so far than they did in each of the last 4 spring elections. The Wisconsin Elections Commission says as of this morning, clerks have issued more than 277,000 absentee ballots. A number of states have postponed their presidential primaries amid the coronavirus crisis, but Governor Tony Evers has refused to postpone Wisconsin's election and is urging people to vote absentee. Voters have until April 2nd to request an absentee ballot. Go to myvote.wi.gov. The Wisconsin Democratic Party voted yesterday to cancel all congressional district meetings and reduce the state convention planned for June at the Wilderness Resort from 2 days to 1. They also voted to authorize party chairman Ben Winkler to decide no later than May 1st whether to continue the in-person meeting or do it virtually. The Democratic National Convention is still planned for mid-July in Milwaukee. The Wisconsin Republican Party's state convention is scheduled for the weekend of May 15th in Green Bay. Harley-Davidson has temporarily suspended production at its 3 U.S. manufacturing plants after an employee at its Milwaukee facility tested positive for coronavirus. This affects Wisconsin facilities in Menomonee Falls and Tomahawk and another one in York, Pennsylvania, and a total of 2,000 union-represented employees. The company said the majority of its U.S. production employees will be on temporary layoff with medical benefits. Although the 3 major automakers in Detroit have temporarily closed, Ford and General Motors say they are now in conversations with the Trump administration about potentially building medical equipment, particularly ventilators. Flights from around the globe diverted away from McCarran International Airport in Las Vegas overnight due to an air traffic controller potentially testing positive for COVID-19. The air traffic control tower is now temporarily closed. The FAA originally reported the air traffic controller tested positive, but then later amended the statement saying the person potentially tested positive. Just yesterday, 3 air traffic controllers at Chicago's Midway Airport tested positive. More bad news for spring breakers as more beaches continue to close. Today, the mayor of Gulf Shores, Alabama, announced that they will be closing all of the city's public and county beaches starting tomorrow morning. This decision comes after the mayor and city council declared a state of emergency in the city. Yesterday, several beaches in Florida have also been closed. And this has been a Channel 3000 special report.